So I'm going to show you how to check the tire pressure in your Tesla. What you want to do is press your car button here, and then on the left you're going to go down to service. And then once you're on service, it shows the current tire pressure in each of the 4 tires. So you can see my back right tire has 34 psi, so I'm going to fill up the tires with air. You can see the recommended pressure for the front and rear are 42 psi. So I'm going to do that now. Fill up all tires with air so it's to the recommended cold pressure. So find yourself a service station or a petrol station which has one of these air and screen machines. We're going to set the PSI to 42. It's a good idea to take off all of the tire caps first, so I'm just going to do that. Okay, so we've set it to 42. What we need to do is now connect the nozzle to the tire, and then wait till it beeps, and we'll be good to go. So the price is £1.
Please wait for confirmation. Thank you and goodbye.
I don't know why it went down to 26. Let's put it back to 42. So we'll start with this side here. On. While I'm here, I might as well top up the screen wash. So now we've filled up the tires with air. Let's check the pressure now. So we're gonna go press that car button and then over here to service. So it still has the old PSI, but that's 41 minutes ago. So as I'm driving, it should update.